Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to publish Google Form responses. So right now here you can see this is the form which I have created in the past and now I want to publish the responses. So for that what you can do, just go to this responses tab. I got 3 responses which I want to publish. So just click on link to sheets here. Now here you can just name your spreadsheets. Just I'm going to name something like name of students. Okay, then you can just click on create here, and as you saw they took us on Google Sheets, and from right here we're gonna publish the responses. So how you can do that? Firstly, you need to make sure that if this drop down is not expanded, make sure to click on this one to expand the window, as you can see here. So right here we need to click on file, then click on share and click on publish to web. Then on the link we need to set this on form responses 1 and make sure to choose this web page format and just click on publish, click on OK, and yeah, you can see we got the link. So we have to just copy this by hitting Ctrl+C. Once you copy this, click on close. Now let's say if you share this link on WhatsApp or any platform, if the people click on the link, what they'll see, they're gonna see the responses like this. And yep, that's it. This is how you can publish responses of Google Form. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like, consider subscribing my YouTube channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.